Hello everyone, welcome to the problem solving session. This problem was given in JEE Advanced 2024 paper 1 and this is section 2 problem. That means it is a one or more than one option type problem. So we need to analyze each and every options in order to get the right answer. Now let us see what is the problem says. A glass beaker has a solid plano convex lens base of refractive index 1.6. That means the refractive index of this lens is 1.6. The radius of the curvature of the convex surface is 9 centimeter. The radius of the curvature here is 9 centimeter R. And planar surface acts as a mirror. So here there is a mirror placed. This beaker is filled with a liquid of refractive index N up to the level of UPR. So this refractive index of the water or the liquid is N. If the image of a point object O at height H is formed onto itself. Okay, the height is given as H. And for the height, the image will form at O only. That means on the object itself. Which of the following option is correct? Okay. Now, let us erase this part and try to draw the diagram. So from here, how will be the reflection or refraction will occur? So before the reflection, there will be two refractions. The light ray will come like this, the straight line. First, it will interact with this surface. This surface means the air and the liquid interface. It will go towards the normal, like this it will go. And then it will refract at the curved surface. Then it will go to the mirror and then it will go back to the same path in order to form the image at O only. So now let us do it step by step. So first step, what will happen? The first step, step 1, let us consider the refraction at liquid air interface. Okay. Let us draw the diagram. This is the liquid. The liquid does not know that there is some lens placed. So from here, the ray of light will come and it will bend toward the normal. So see, it will form a virtual image somewhere here. That means somewhere here. That means that is the apparent height. What is the apparent height? If the h is the height of the object, then apparent height will be n into h. That is the apparent height or image distance after the past refraction, that is n into h. Now, this will act as an object for the refraction at the curved surface. So what is the refraction at the curved surface will look like? Now this lens will see the object placed at distance n by n into h. N into h. So u for the curved surface will basically minus n into h. Now, after this refraction at the curved surface, it should go normally. Then only it will reflect at the mirror and then it will again trace back the same path. Then the image will be formed at the object itself. So that means the V or the image distance after the second refraction of the curved surface will be at infinity. Now we'll try to put in the equation. What is the equation of the curved surface refraction? Mu2 by V minus mu1 by U equal to mu2 minus mu1 by R. Here R is the radius of curvature for the curved surface. So what is mu2? Mu2 is this medium and mu1 is the medium at which the image is formed. At what medium? The liquid medium. Right now the object is at the liquid medium only because after the first refraction the image formed the object will be that one only. So right now that object for the second refraction will be in the medium of the liquid only. So here we can write that mu2 is basically the refractive index of the lens, 1.6, but it will be formed at infinity only. V minus mu1. Mu1 is n, the refractive index of the liquid, and u is minus n into h, the distance of the object after the first refraction. Mu2 is 1.6 minus mu1 is n. What is r? For a convex surface, convex curved surface, r will be taken as plus 9 centimeter. Sorry, 9. Now, what we will get from here? See, this will be 0, basically. It will divided by infinity. So, plus 1 by h is equal to 1.6 minus n by 9. So, h is 9 by 1.6 minus n. That we are getting. Right now, from the options, we'll try to put the value of n. We'll try to get the h. It is given that for n equal to 1.42, we'll write the equation here on. H is equal to 9 by 1.6 minus n. So if I put the value of n is equal to 1.42, that means what we'll get at the denominator? 9 by 1.6 minus 1.42, that means 1.18. 0.18 if we divide, we will get 50. H equal to 50. So that means option A is correct one. We'll put n equal to 1.35. So 9 by 1.6 minus 1.35, that means here 0.25. 9 by 0.25 means 436. So this option is also correct. H is becoming 36. We'll put right now 1.45. 9 by 1.6 minus 1.45. So it is giving 0.15. That means 60. H is coming 60. This case. But it is given 65. So this option is not correct. For D, we'll put n equal to 1.48. 9 by 1.6 minus 1.48. That means 0.12. So 9 by 0.12. This is not also 85. So this option is also not correct. So option A and B are correct options. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood.